Hello friends, I'm going to tell you how much I spend every month driving to see my husband as a prison wife. So what prompted me and my husband to have this conversation is I got my 407 ETR bill in the mail and it came out to $668. So me and my husband were talking and I'm like, whoa, this is crazy. And we're like, okay, let's break down how much we spend coming to see me. And we're trying to plan to have a family. So we're like, okay, let's sit down and let's budget out what we are working with every month. So my husband is in Kingston and I am in Toronto, and my gas each way is $100 because it's 91 premium. And I also take the 407 because I'm constantly late. So I take the 407 about a quarter of the way there, which is $27 each way. And this isn't including our trailer funds, which is like $300 every 6 weeks. So now we decided to visit 3 times a month instead of 4. So instead of $600, it'll be $450. It's crazy expensive being a prison wife, but this is what we got to do. Who else can relate?